After receiving the recorder, connect the cameras, GPS, wire controller and USB test cable to the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. Tighten all interfaces. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder's function is normal. Use a charger or power bank applicable voltage will vary for power supply during testing. After the recorder is powered on, if it works properly, it can be installed on the motorcycle. Unscrew the screws on the card slot. This is the front of the memory card. This is the back of the memory card. Insert the front of the memory card into the card slot. Then tighten the screw back. Align the light shield with the screw holes on the host. Insert the screws and tighten them with a wrench. Loosen the bracket with the wrench, remove screws and nuts. Put the gasket onto the motorcycle handlebar. Then put on the bracket. Put the screws back on. Loosen the bracket. Connect it to the spherical bracket, then connect the host to the bracket. Use the wrench to tighten the bracket. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. Tighten the bracket again. Place the Z-shaped bracket on the position of the rearview mirror. Install the rearview mirror back in its original way. Loosen the bracket, remove the screws and nuts. Put the gasket onto the Z-shaped bracket. Installation completed. Insert the piece into the screw. Install the bracket onto the camera. Insert the base into the circular bracket. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. The bracket can adjust the angle. You can adjust it to the appropriate angle as needed and then tighten the screw. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with adhesive tape. It can also be directly installed on the motorcycle using screws. Fasten the Velcro to the upper and lower sides with screws. Choose the appropriate fixing accessories according to the size of the handlebar. After selection, fix it with screws. Open the motorcycle pad and prepare to install the power cable. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the battery, and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Find where the ACC wire needs to be connected. Turn the motorcycle key to turn on the power. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power, the voltage becomes 0 and the location of the ACC is determined. Then start installing the power cable. Connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Tighten the port of the yellow wire. Open the ACC port found. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Tear off the adhesive tape of the power module and stick it in the appropriate position. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed.